Okay, for this activity, we're going to be doing this worksheet. If you click on the picture of the worksheet next to the video, there will be a file that can open up. If you're able to print anything, you can print this. If not, you can just follow along and watch me go through all of it, or you can do it on a separate sheet of paper if you want to write everything down and draw your own picture of a water cycle. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at these three words. We have condensation, evaporation, and precipitation. And we're going to cut them out, which I've already done on a different one. So we have our diagram. When we have precipitation, that's anything that's coming down from the sky. So it's rain, snow, sleet, any of the water that comes from the sky. And then it comes down to the land and it's in the water, and the sun causes it to evaporate. So we have evaporation that comes up from the water, it evaporates, and it goes into the clouds, and that is condensation. When you grab your worksheet, so we just filled all these in, we cut these out. The next thing you're going to do is cut these sentences out. And we need to decide what order they go in to follow the water cycle. So I have already cut some of them out. So we have the sun heats the earth's water. So that's what's happening right here. And then the warmed water turns into vapor and rises into the air. So that's what it's doing when it evaporates. It turns it to warm water and it goes up into the air. The next thing, as the water vapor rises, it cools down. So as it goes up higher into the sky, it gets cooler. And then the cooled water vapor forms tiny droplets of water. And then the tiny droplets of water form clouds. And then once we get the clouds up here, the tiny water droplets join together. And then as they continue to join together, they get bigger. And as they get bigger, they get heavier. So the water droplets become heavy. And as they get heavier and they're in the cloud, they can't stay up there because they're too heavy. So then the heavy droplets fall to the earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. And then the whole cycle happens again, because after it comes to the ground, it goes, and then we have water, and it evaporates again, and then it forms condensation, and then it comes down as precipitation. So that is the worksheet that you can do this week. And you can print the paper on the image next to this video, or you can draw your own video or your own picture and label it yourself. So have fun doing that.